Again, this is Boston Quality Cleaning Services in action here. We're cleaning the window sills here of this large office here in downtown Boston. This is September of 2009. I'll show you here some Boston footage. Really nice skyline. So Gene is going to start the vacuum cleaning process. It's gonna start vacuum because the next step is the mopping of the floors, and there are a lot of square footage here to be cleaned. Show you here some more of the office maintenance that's done here in the downtown Boston. Okay, we're maintaining here this office for quite some time, and Gene is going to start the vacuuming process. So if you'd like to request a free estimate, don't hesitate to contact Boston Quality Cleaning Service. The number to call is 781-443-5682. And Gene's going to start the process right now of vacuuming. He's getting ready, and I'll show you more footage. There we go. Process just started. So it's important to have this type of vacuum when you are cleaning commercially, because it doesn't scratch the floor. You see there's a long extension. It reaches very long underneath desks, all over the place. It's much better as opposed to the vacuums you just find it on regular stores. This is a special type of vacuum that commercial cleaning companies, they have to have. And another thing that's very important is to know how to properly use it, and in order to do a really good job. As you can see here, the way Gene does the cleaning, and he does this daily, is to make sure it's done systematically and correctly.